On June the 28th, REVES Meeting discussed the topic Determinants of Unusual and Differential Health Expectancy. The conference is organized by the Wittgenstein Centre, an association of 3 leading demographic research institutes: the Vienna Institute of Demography, International Institute for Applied Systems Analysis World Population Programme, and the Demography G Group of the WU Vienna.
Well, this is a prestigious international conference. It takes place all around the world. So last year it was in Singapore, and we are very happy for the first time to now host it here in Vienna, because it really puts us on the world map of the research community in this field.
Our society is in a major demographic change. As our individual lifespan rises, we live a longer and healthier life, and our society ages as our birth rate declines.
The main aim of the REVES meeting is to be able to assess whether, when we are living longer, what we are doing, life expectancy is still increasing a lot. When life expectancy is increasing, are we living in better health, or are we surviving very old, very frail, with a lot of disabilities?
You must know that working on healthy aging is like working on a big puzzle. You know already a lot of pieces, a lot of are unknown, and you try to put them together. And I think these REVES meetings are just a brilliant occasion, brilliant event to go on working on this puzzle, to bring the things together.
I regard population aging and individual aging as really 2 important topics, I think, in terms of aging of our society in industrialized countries. But I regard it as a challenge, as an opportunity, which means like we have to adjust to this changing demographic structure. We're living longer, but we have not yet managed, in a sense, to use this longer life, I think, in all of our aspects, also in terms of economic aspects.
So we're living fewer years with cognitive impairment, so that's good. We're compressing cognitive impairment into a shorter time, but we've got more years with disability. My dream would be that we use healthy life expectancy, particularly in determining the age at which we should retire and receive state pension, rather than life expectancy, to benefit those who are worse off in our societies.
In addition to the conference, 21 international students were invited to attend the summer school. Through discussions and workshops, they were introduced to the newest topics and dissertations on the fields of demographic and human capital research.
I traveled from Australia to Austria to attend the summer school, and I can say that it's probably the highlight of my PhD study. The long journey was all worth it. I learned cutting-edge methods on my PhD topic, which is on aging and health in the Philippines. I got a chance to meet the leading experts in a field whom I just usually cited in my papers, but now I get a chance to actually interact with them and talk to them about their papers on my paper. It was a very fruitful discussion, talking to them and attending the summer school.
The presentations, the lectures, the REVES meeting, everything, every single paper is so different and so insightful. And I've learned a lot of methodologies and lots of new ideas, and it really opens my research and my career.
The REVES meeting managed to put the scientific puzzle of many individual, social and economic pieces together to successfully contribute to a better handling of health and age in our society.